3 a.m. in the morning, and I'm sitting all alone. Nighttime having a shiver, I can feel it in my bones. Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, my name is Avery. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that button down at the bottom. Join the fam. Today I am bringing you some fall grungy makeup looks with a little bit of yellow graphic liner. If you'd like to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. I've already done my eyebrows off camera and I moisturized my face using the Ula Henriksen Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. Really need it. My face is very dry right now. The weather's changing and my skin is acting up. I've also primed my face using the Milani Face Primer. Today I'm going to be doing a kind of fall grungy look using the Naked Urban Decay Heat Palette. Look at all of those beautiful colors. Diving in with a low blow here, I'm going to use my Morphe M433 brush and I'm just going to start moving that all over the eyelid. I'm going to bring that just above the brow bone and then sweep it under. Now that it looks like I have a black eye, I've reached perfection. I'm gonna do that to the other side. Okay, to deepen up the lid a little more, I'm gonna use Enfuego across the eyelid, and I'm just gonna use a fluffy Wet n Wild brush. Just smoke it out. These colors give me all of the fall vibes. So beautiful. Nice reds and burnt oranges and browns, and then it's even got some shimmers in there. I die. Now I'll be using ashes. I'm going to focus that more on the very outer corner of my eye. I did this eye look yesterday when we went out to eat. Did kind of a early anniversary dinner. We've got a lot of stuff planned for October. We're gonna be heading to Disneyland. I'm so freaking excited. Last year, I had planned for us to go to Disneyland and I got a promotion, which is a good thing. Very thankful for that. However, the training for it was during the week that I had planned for Nick and I to go to Disneyland. And my work was like, oh, it's okay. Just do training this week and we can give you the following week off. Only problem with that was that Nick couldn't get that following week off. So we ended up missing it. Luckily this year we have the chance to go again. And nothing is going to fucking stop me this time. I am going. I don't care. I will call out of work. We're gonna go for 2 days, spending a day on each of the parks. Then on our way back home, we're gonna stop in town and visit family for a night. I know it doesn't sound like a whole lot of time. It really isn't. It's just a straight there and back kind of trip, but we are going to spend one night with family and we are going to head back home. That's kind of our anniversary gift to ourselves. The following week, we are just going to get everything planned out for the Halloween party that we want to have. With everything going on, I just figured it would be nice to have a nice dinner with him and I alone, just talking about how the year's gone with each other, how happy we are and proud of each other, and just being so supportive of one another. To have that quality time with each other, because I know that on our way back home from Disneyland, we're really not going to want to do anything. We're going to be extremely tired, and you know, I just wanted to have a nice dinner. So I did this look last night. I was really happy with the way that it turned out, and I decided to film it today. Using the brush that came with the palette, I'm going to be using Lumber. I put that on like that smaller flat side of the brush, sweep that on the inner corner of the eyelid. Remember, it doesn't have to look super clean. We're going for a grungy look today. Well, instead of doing just a normal black liner, I picked up the NYX Vivid Bright in Vivid Halo. I'm gonna go pop this on and I'll be right back. Wow! I'm back. Let me just run you really quick through what I did. Eyeliner using the NYX Vivid Brights liner. NARS Climax Mascara. And then I used the Ardell Demi Wispy Lashes. Pretty cheap, pretty cute, looking good. Now using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, plop that all over the face. Pretty excited for the next product. I typically use the Tarte Shape Tape as my concealer, but I recently watched the Jaclyn Hill video and she highly recommended the Morphe concealer, so I went out and purchased this bad boy. Shade C165 in Soft Matte. Super impressed with this product. Like I said, I already did this whole makeup look last night. I didn't have to set the under eye at all. It just looked amazing. Blends out so nice. Is a perfect dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. And it's only like $9. So pretty, so creamy. I think this is my new go-to. As always, using my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette. Now that I'm finished with that, I'm gonna go ahead and bake underneath my cheeks just to get a little more chiseled definition there. While that's baking, I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face. To bake, I'm gonna use the Airspun Loose Face Powder. Dip my beauty sponge in there and sweep it right underneath. My face is already pretty round and I don't like that shit. So, while I let my face bake up, I'm gonna finish my lips and I'm also gonna add some highlighter, probably add a little bit of mascara to the bottom lash line. We'll see. For the lips today, I'm gonna use Brick in Dose of Colors. And today for highlighter, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Palette. Dip into bronze. I'll go ahead and brush away this powder. And we're all finished. Alrighty friends, this is the finished look. This is my fall grungy inspired makeup look for you today. I hope you all like it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and I will see you on my next video. Bye!